So make yourself scarce.
Yeah, that's what they all say. One last time. I feel you, bro, but I ain't the man.
I'm keeping you in my brain.
Just a brick, stupid crazy. Before the day over 20.
to be. There ain't no rehabilitating me, pull a gat on your grandmother. Then take a social security. The boundary lines of my jurisdiction expand from day to day. Rule of all I survey. And with that, load up my gat that I pack. So I can buzz on the subject that you replenish. This is the ballad of a myth. I'm a minute. I'm a minute. I'm a minute. I'm a minute. I'm a minute to society. I'm a minute. I'm a minute to society.
It looks like you're gonna be in the record business. Think it's a pretty good idea? Oh yeah.
This is a ballad of a minute. Ren will finish in the minutes. All the suckers that thought they can flow like me that was sitting this. Society wishes for my death or my downfall, but they're playing itself as if they're playing some ground ball, cause I'm terrorizing the territory I'm stepping on. Endangering citizens while I'm keeping my weapon on. My hip like a cycle, cause to me it was fittable. I just got word the ruthless villain was critical. Let's get it straight, the ones that wasn't good with that. Illiterate motherfuckers, I'll make you look dumb with that. Stumble and fumble, cause I'ma question your crumble. So you can stutter and stun up and keep it down to a mumble. MC Ren is never taking out the sucker. In other words, I'm a bad motherfucker. So next time I walk your streets, you should know to lock your doors and close your windows. And if you was thinking that protection could stop me, it takes a continent full of niggas to drop me. And for me to be vicious, yo, it's valid.
Look out the way!
Hey, man.
Oh my God.
Is everyone in this town so dense? Of course you are. No getaway car, man. You gotta be kidding me. You, pal. We need your help. On your knees! And stay down till we're gone! We need transport, fast! All right, let's go! Lose the cops!
Vamos por vida!
What the hell was that?
I said I had a score. I didn't say I thought of everything.
Well, you could have thought of something. A car? Everyone in this shithole city's got a car.
Go back to Liberty City, you Irish prick.
You know where we'd be if this guy hadn't come along?
We wouldn't be sharing the take is where we'd be.
We'd be sharing a jail cell. You know, I ran big-time hoods in LC. We took major scores. You can't even handle a drugstore?
Oh, you and your stories. Shut up about LC. Shut up about the bank job, and your family, and your friends. I don't care.
So at least I know I ain't the least competent crook in the city.
I swear, it's just this guy. Look, man, can you just lose the cops?
Puta madre!
I have eyes on the target.
¡LSBJ! ¡Idiota!
Officers report a reckless driver on Southport Industrial Way in Sunset International Airport.
Fuck you!
Miles per hour. Flight for Bonneville, Buffalo.
This kid's all right. Drop us around the corner, we'll give you your cut. Hey, look, I know I seem like a hothead and an idiot. I am a hothead and a bit of an idiot, but I work, okay? And I can handle myself. I ran with some big guys in LC, and the only guy I know over here is him. If you ever hear of something, a score that needs bodies, would you think of me?
All right, dude. If someone were to mention something like that, I got you.
There's your share, bro. Think of me. Packy McCreary of Duke's LC.
I've got like the most amazeballs and runners opportunities.
Menjadi anak yang percaya diri, menjelajah, dan menemukan tempat baru.
Kini hadir dengan kemasan baru. Minum susu Greenfield setiap hari untuk kamu para peraih mimpi.
Tumben pakai motor yang ini. Mau masak ya?
Iya nih Mang, gue dapet challenge masak makeover nih dari
Hey, boo! I knew you couldn't stay away.
Why you got to make all that racket?
toes, free your soul, smack a truck. I just tell resting on the window pane.
Lil Digga, what's crack?
That motherfucker.
Hey, whoa, back off there, cowboy. I know my constitutional rights. Anyway, I know you're coming here to suck cock, so it's all right.
What the fuck you talking about?
Wow, hey, look, I saw Quarterback Blues, man. And, you know, some of those older records of yours, even they sound a little bit closeted. I'm just saying.
What? A black man walking in Vinewood, you think he Clay PG sellout? You bitch-ass punk motherfucker.
Oh, shit, man. Oh, hey, I'm sorry, dude. I didn't have my contacts in, you know? I mean, I love black people. Yeah, you know, like I love gangsters. I love, like, gangster rap. Yo, sup?
Man, who gives a fuck if he's gay or not, man? The man is not married. It's his...
Let's go! You drive, I'll get the shot. Miranda Cowan, man! This is immense! Go! Get us right up alongside that limo! Do not let her get away! Can't this go any faster? We need a shot! Come on!
Fuck, man, I know. I'm trying.
Come on! Let me see the whites of her eyes!
I get the idea, homie.
Give me something! Anything! Oh, stop pretending to cry! You don't believe it? She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! Don't ram her off the road, man!
Hey, you really ain't helping.
Go with your marriage-busting muff, Miranda! You bitch! Not that close! You ruined his life! Now make my day. Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Fuck you, Beverly, this one's mine! Oh, no, it's that bottom feeder Madison! Shit, he's getting the money shots! Where's your dignity, man? Forget Miranda, we can't let him steal my exclusive! Get alongside him, I'll knock the weasel off! No, get after that motorbike! Crank the gas, come on!
Are you always this fucking annoying?
He's getting away! Come on!
What the fuck do you think I'm doing?
He's not taking my glory! Not again! Oh yeah, I downloaded your pictures to the fucking road, Madison! Now grow up and get a boy's name. Okay, buddy, let's get out of here. I'm already late for another stakeout. There's a small parking lot by the Cafe Redemption Courtyard in Morningwood. Drop me there, and you can keep the bike, because I look after my people.
Look after your people? Man, I know when a ride is hot. If this is your bike, then I'm the fucking Pope, dawg.
Okay. Don't ruin the vibe.
All right, homie. It's been an education, dawg. Look, keep on making the world a better place, you hear me?
The public needs to know. The fans deserve answers.
Shit, not if the question is how low is Miranda Collins' muff hanging or if she getting banged out by some second-rate director.
They need to know everything, from crow's feet to camel toes. Hey. Come by the manor next week. We'll continue the search for the truth.
Look, don't wait around for me, homie.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
ever clean your raggedy bitch ass up?
Fuck you, Lamar. I mean, Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows you gone on Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like 1992, then shit, I'm guilty as charged.
Punk ass.
What?
Bitch. You never could say no to me, Franklin Clinton. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
Damn, every time with this shit. And nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed. That's our truck. Our truck. You know the drill. Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV in a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Man, you sure you need me? Cause you look like you know what you doing.
1, I can't drive. And 2, this ain't no work for a lady.
Oh, you really fighting the feminist cause there, ain't you, Tiny?
Like your aunt, you mean? I saw her fake jogging the other day, chanting some whacked out nonsense. That bitch is crazy.
Yeah, that we can't agree on.
And I got qualifications, honey.
Like hell you do.
I got a certificate in cosmology. You never seen my nails.
What, you going into space now?
You always did think you were so clever. Remember Davis High? You didn't learn shit at that school.
And you got your math on the corner in Davis.
We're on, boo. Let's move it out.
Come on. I was only parked there for a minute.
This ain't a job for making new friends, is it?
I thought you'd been into some repo work.
Yeah, that's true. Same shit, but nicer cars.
It's an honest dollar, and there ain't many of those around.
An honest dollar that I ain't seen yet. Man, JB need to get his head straight.
JB's going through a hard time.
A hard time sitting on his ass smoking crack?
I gotta keep his hours up. Word is they gonna sell the business. A new owner ain't good news for the drivers with no papers. JB sold his social for a piece 2 years back.
I see the problem, but I just don't see that as mine.
You too good to cover a brother now?
I'm here, ain't I? I've been covering that brother for 20 years.
Drop it in the marked area. Same as before, honey. I'll make it up to you, Franklin. You know I will. See you round.
Out the car, nigga.
What's wrong with her now? You got any problems? You bring her back to me. You got some beef with the Ballas or something?
see me?
Ain't got time for this.
You know what? If you thought it was incredible getting a shot of aging trout the other day, you just wait till we get a picture of Poppy Mitchell getting in a dirt box, man.
Beverly, good to see you.
No, seriously, dude. Dude, it is a backdoor bonanza where that bitch is concerned. Ah!
America's newest sweetheart? Man, she likes cotton candy and puppy.
Yeah, and getting in the bunghole. Wow. No, seriously, dude. One shot of that dirty little slut monkey, and we're in the money, homie. We're in the money.
Who says America is going to hell?
Well, not me. Come on, let's move. Now, remember, dude, this is a covert op. We need to blend in, ninja style. Follow my lead. Confident but forgettable. From here on out, we're ghosts.
Yeah, me and you, we ain't gonna stand out. At all.
Shh, you blow our cover.
This should be fucking interesting.
I can hear someone. Stay close and play it cool.
What do you want me to do? I'm at work. Just change the cipher. It's not that hard. I don't care if it smells like number 2. It's your grandpa. That's what family do. Listen, I gotta go. Love, do your homework, okay?
Hey, Maria. How it going?
You know, another day,
should be just past this pool. They're right around this corner. Are you ready to see America's sweetheart getting it in the sweet meat fryer room? Here, you take the camera. She knows me, dude. I'll keep lookout. Try pointing the camera towards the celebrity, you idiot. Come on, man. Are you getting any of this?
I'm only a virgin for TV. Really? I mean, I always wash afterwards and jump up and down, so it doesn't count. What? I'm not releasing a sex tape for at least 3 years, unless my agent tells me to.
What? I thought this... I love you, Poppy. I really want us to go places. I thought we could be the cutest teen couple.
But, Justin, you're 21 and I'm 24. We only say we're teens for marketing purposes.
That's not true.
Okay. Just get on with it, will you? I'm hungry. There's someone watching.
Oh, shit! Security! Abort! Abort! This way!
You're fucking dead, motherfucker!
Come on! Go, go, go!
I will bankrupt you with litigation!
Get your ass in the car now! They're still coming after us! Well, don't just sit there! Film that psycho slut!
Damn! America's sweetheart is one angry-ass bitch.
Yeah, I know! She's terrifying! It's perfect! I'll try to lose them.
I was working on my quads, you idiot!
Straight road coming up! This is your chance to get a good shot of her!
Man, you knocked the one hanging out this fucking trunk.
You people are stuck!
Whoa, whoa! What the hell, man? That motherfucker's right on top of us, dog!
I'm taking a sharp right! Keep that camera on her!
Those two men are child molesters!
Yeah, fuck you too, man!
You have no idea what I'm capable of!
You better not be missing the action back there!
This crazy-ass bitch!
Is that camera even pointed at her? Ah, shit! We got traffic ahead!
I will fucking destroy you! And everyone who knows you!
Screw this! I'm going through the construction site!
Man, shit! I hope this didn't just turn into a snuff movie.
Whatever, she's fine! We'll wipe the audio. Oh, I can just see the headlines now. Poppy Mitchell crashes car on drug-fueled sex rampage.
Another illuminating experience, homie.
Someone's got to do it.
I really don't think so.
Hey, look. If you don't want to become rich beyond your wildest dreams while performing a vital public service, you won't meet me again. But then again, you're not an idiot.
No, I am a fucking idiot.
happening to me? Fuck an hour to fuck my wife in my own bed?
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going on?
Nothing happened. It was a misunderstanding.
She fucked a prick in my bed.
You bullshitting
It
me.
wasn't like that.
You in?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
You okay, homie? What happened?
Guy bounced my wife is what happened.
Which guy?
The guy I'm paying to teach her tennis.
Tennis coach? Oh, that's fucked up, man. You rich dudes, homie. Bullshit. You know, back in the hood, man, we gotta watch out. Hey, we ain't gonna get that dude at this rate.
Yeah, I'm a cuckold, a snob, and a fucking cliche.
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him.
Ain't you looking?
The fuck is he?
Oh, shit! Man, you been kind of reckless, homie.
It's this track here.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
Yeah, keep your eye out. He left his car. Check it out. Little prick's up there. Look.
Oh, shit. Coach doing all right for himself.
Hey! Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debt!
Michael, fine! You got the wrong idea, man!
There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
You finna pull his deck down?
Hey, that prick pulled my marriage down.
Man, you really gonna be this fucking dramatic?
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud!
But there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud! I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand!
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand! On your face!
Bud, your negative energy is seriously bringing me down.
Oh, I hope it is, bud!
We hooked up, man.
You come into my house, take my money, nail... And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit!
Well, hey, wait! You got the wrong idea, pal! Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Ha-ha! Let's see what happens!
Dude, you a proper crank. Oh, shit. You sorry now, but you wasn't already. Oh, hell yeah, homie. You know what time it is. Man, homie ain't clubbing outside tonight, dawg. Come on, man. Do it to him. Oh, fuck.
Yeah! Fuck, come on!
Fuck, man, fuck.
Oh, we did it! Fuck his ass!
Yeah, fuck him. But was we really trying to pull that dude house off the fucking hill?
Hey, we were trying to teach him a fucking lesson.
Now that's an expensive bitch-ass lesson, man.
Maybe he'll keep it on the court and out of my wife.
Yeah, he not taking no housewives back to that motherfucker.
Hey, it's a service to the fucking community.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! You're a dead one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified. Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo! Fuck you!
Whoa. Oh, Martin? Martin Madrazo?
That's what she said.
Hey, dude's a kingpin, homie. You better hold him.
I ain't hoping anything. Chick was hysterical. Chill out. That coach should be doing the Russian broad. Chick needs to chill the fuck out.
Dead man. But you did just pull her life apart, homie. Hey, man, there's some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind you.
You kidding me? Kid, can you do something?
I'll try, man. Try.
Come on, kid.
We got a book, man. Go.
How you doing, Frank?
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move. Pop that dude. Hey, let's go.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You! You're a dead one! Green light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified.
Shit, we got some heavies on us, homie.
Oh, that was quick. All right, help me deal with this.
I'll give it a go, man. And keep trying.
Ice that mother...
I got one. We got a book, man. Go.
Can you see them? Are they still back there? Shoot that gun, kid! That's what it's for!
Push the pedal, man. We gotta move.
All right, we managed to lose them?
Hey, let's go. Let's leave them behind.
You gonna use that gun?
There you go. We got a book, man. Go.
How much distance we got between us?
I think you slipped him, man.
Okay, go back to... my house, think about this. Wow. Shit. You did good. I mean, your aim's all over the place, but you were a help.
Thanks. I guess.
Hey, don't get defensive. Go to a shooting range, work on your aim. You'll do fine.
Oh, fuck, man. Shit, you good?
fine as wine. Got a few knocks. You okay? I mean, you did good, kid.
Man, I'm cool, man. I mean, you, mentally.
Mentally? Oh, man, I'm fucking excellent. My heart ain't pumped like that in years. Oh, yes! Fucking A, Bubba!
Man, you sound kind of mad. You just been greenlit by the Mexican underworld ambassador to Los Santos.
Trust me, we handled it. Whoever the fuck Martin Madrazo is, I've known worse.
We just handled a few low-ranking crimes.
We sit on it, we see what happens. Kid, there's no use second-guessing. Feels good, man. Woo! Yeah, doing something for a change.
Man, you know what? You are wasted sitting by that fucking pool, man.
You're right. I need to do something. Scotch and sunshine and sitting on my ass? Fuck that, I'm better than that.
Damn skippy, homie. All that knowledge up there is withering and dying, dog. You don't pass that shit on, it's gone, homie. I bet you know some shit.
You wouldn't believe the shit I know.
Yeah? Taking some score?
There was a time, that was all I did.
Yeah, no, I could tell you some shit too.
Yeah, like what?
About this city I was born and raised in.
Now think about it.
Yeah, do that, man. This could be cool.
Ain't you looking? Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
Shit, pulling houses off the hillside sure has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh shit, I think we're about to find out.
You know who I am? Do you know who I am? Do you?
No. Who you? You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License. Now, Franklin, maybe help Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of a background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, got a question for you. Did you pull an architectural, significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly.
Yeah.
Well, Natalia will need a hotel while you finance the rebuild, won't she?
Sure.
Good.
and I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range.
Of course.
Great.
That's nice.
Come on, man. Damn, you all right?
Never better.
So what now?
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. Fuck. Oh man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs. Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. I'm gonna have to track him down. Just give me a little alone time, alright?
All right, dawg.
Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
Pay attention, Missy.
Jesus Christ!
Hey, buddy.
Don't act like a tough guy. Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
sleeves, huh?
Same. I'm just a nightclub singer with a broken heart. I still love you, Tony.
Get hold of yourself. You're in over your head and you're up there. Damn.
Jimmy! God damn it. The fuck you doing?
Nothing.
Really? Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
You know, go watch your linear entertainment. Go watch porn. Just go away.
Shit. Fuck you! Disrespectful little asshole!
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Yeah, well, why don't you do something then? Besides just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball.
You know I have bad glands.
Bike ride then.
Bike ride? You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride. We'll take a bike ride along Vespucci Beach, and I'll show you just what you want to see. This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that? I'm going gray listening to this crap. Station change. Fuck yeah, I'm a jam.
Driver's choice.
Tyrant. Driving like a psychopath, Michael! Do you realize that? Or are you so high on your own outmoded sense of masculinity that you think this is normal?
Shut your pie hole. I think we'll both be happier if we can spend as little time in this vehicle as possible.
God! You think I've got learning difficulties, huh? Take a good long look in the mirror. Aw, man! Take a good long look in the mirror, pal. I'm not the one who doesn't respect my fellow human beings.
No, not unless they're a spick, or a Jew boy, or an ass-munching homo.
Oh, there was me thinking there's a difference between witty banter arising from a sense of competition.
Witty? Really?
And mowing someone down in the street?
Hey, I never said you had learning difficulties, Jim.
Well, I do, and you never cared.
I just said that Dr. Freelander thought that maybe you had problems relating to people.
Relate to my asshole, old man. Here we are, the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
Yo, where you at, Lo?
Come on up. You said 10 minutes away
Hey,
4
you.
minutes ago. You took
2
the
bites.
highway?
Take your pick.
I said back street. Yo, thanks. Man, fuck that trash. All I know is those hood rats better have some fun. If I beat you to the end of the pier, you're buying me a new TV.
Taken to the pier? All right. But if I beat you, you're gonna behave like a human being. I gotta video this and send it to your mom.
My body isn't meant to work like this, but I'm making it to beat you.
You bike a few more miles, we might be able to squeeze you into some skinny jeans. All that smack talk ain't gonna put me off my stride. Looks like you're buying your own TV.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, I'm giving it my best shot. Come on, we're having fun, right?
You wouldn't know fun if it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this whole midlife crisis bullshit? And why don't you stick your nose up Tracy's butt sometime?
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft? You know the kind of boat, the one that makes a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck. Ah!
Dad, wait! Shit.
I'm a dancer. Yeah.
Hey, man, whoa.
Plus, we're taking you out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude. They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What? Your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Miss.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls can talk.
You think I do it?
Hey,
No.
hey,
Shit,
cool,
Daddy.
man. What are you doing now? Hey!
Man, I like that.
Problem.
You're such a jerk.
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass. These guys are serious.
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the scene of my fucking boat. Oh, motherfuckers! Get on, now! I'm about to skin you alive! God damn it! Go!
OMG, they're coming! Go into that outlet!
All right, all right!
They're shooting! They're epic shooting!
We'll lose them down here! Who the fuck are these people?
Oh, you know! TV people, celebs, serious drug dealers!
Well, since when did TV people and drug dealers start hanging out?
Come on, Dad! It's Los Santos! My dad's the one you want to kill! He's on the front of this thing! Just go, okay? Go!
Looks like this is the way out! Come on, let us go!
How is camping us going to solve anything?
Back off, assholes!
My dad doesn't miss, so just like, F off, please! I can't believe I sort of had sex with you, you psychopath! Oh my god, God, they're gone! Oh my god. Oh, this is the worst.
They're gone? Cool. See, it's okay. I'll take you back to Jim.
Okay? No, it's not okay! Not at all!
Hey, we're alive, aren't we? Those psychos didn't kill you.
Psychos! Only you could get me chased out of a party with effing guns!
Yeah, huh? Well, maybe you're in the wrong fucking parties.
There he is! Give me you, David! You fucking asshole!
He's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like you get sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
How are you doing?
Oh, fine, I guess. No, actually, I'm not. I can't sleep. I don't know how I'm gonna make ends meet. No one's buying new anymore. Rents are going up, prices are up.
Pour Daddy a whiskey? No?
Well, no time to dilly-dally. I've got to solve this case, and I know just how to get it left to be locked.
Hey, Joey, look what I snapped.
I deserve fame like a million times more than these D's.
He'll be cross for sure. You'll get a serious spanking.
All good, Trace?
He only spanks Mommy.
What's going on,
Why
Trace?
should he enjoy all this with
Hey,
Bunny
Trace.
and Mabel? Yay!
JC! Hey, Tracy!
Grab that pack. Don't worry about that cough or hack. Time to smoke, smoke, smoke really good.
much more interesting than these people.
Hey, Trace.
Man, that officer touched me funny. Man, would you stop acting like a fucking fool?
This is Giles Peterson with a collaboration. We're going to Kenya via London.
Thanks again, Internet. Are you kidding me? What? That crazy motherfucker Lamar has bronze medal then?
Funny motherfucker. Screw this.
Come on, Franklin, are you in or out? Are you racing or what? Bronze medal then?
Funny motherfucker.
Tell me you're having second thoughts.
Let's go! Bye now!
you kidding? Relax, you where you belong. Nice drive. Bitch ass bullshit. You dick! Good night. Oh, well, fuck it. Man, you got off lucky, homie.
King, motherfucker, who the hell are you? Shit suckers off top, I bet I do. Hustle gang in it, bitch, you better lay down, boo. We trim down the crew, fuck you, fuck you, shut
Let's go. Nothing but a punk. Say I'm a disgrace to society? Man, I'm sorry, fool. My car, asshole. Lady, chill.
Have mercy!
Too close. Get out that ride, home.
United we stand, together we fall.
Man, only inches.
want me to perform?
All patched up? I'll put it like this. It ain't gonna rust, okay?
driving here?
Just take it. It's thrift store anyway. Help! That bastard just robbed me!
What kind of amateur are you?
Tell me it's good news.
Here, man. Man, I'm a hypocrite.
What a gentleman. And for what? I'm not being sarcastic.
Look out the way!
Jay Criminy!
That shit is burned into my retinas.
I warned you before. They have some very sophisticated Zen shit going on. Swimming in a...
Start. Up, piece of shit.
Fuck you, Lester. You gonna let me in or what?
Give me a minute. I was wondering when you'd show up.
I was dead.
Praise be. Guess you weren't very dead. You need my help.
How do you know?
Because you came here. Why else would you?
I haven't been a good friend for you, Lester. I know that.
And you're gonna make it up to me by doing whatever I ask. Or rather, I mean, I need something done, you need to know something, so why not help each other?
I gotta make some dough.
So you're back in the game?
I guess. Look, Lester, about what happened before.
Well, I know you never mentioned my name. I know I'm not on any lists anywhere. I know you never betrayed me. As for you, you gotta figure that I never told anyone. That instead of gently decomposing in North Yankton, you're angrily decomposing in Los Santos with a shrink and a wife who don't love you no more.
Yeah, well, since you put it like that.
Hey, shut up a minute. I'm getting an iFind alert. That little college boy sack of shit, phony fuck.
Who? Jay Norris?
Yes, that fuck is a lying bastard. I've read his fucking emails. He's a fucking cheat.
I heard him say that he saved America.
What, by outsourcing all the jobs? By selling us little bits of plastic restricted access shit? Well, now it's payback time, you lying turd.
The hell are you talking about?
You are about to get that white-collar gig that you always dreamed of, Mikey. Here, take this, fashionably retro, weird for a 45-year-old man, but I cannot let go of the 1980s bag, and dress yourself up like a billionaire math genius with low-level Asperger's. You better be ready for the minor glitch of your repulsive pseudo-messianic life. Okay.
I'd offer you something, but you or
just leaving.
Postings on Life Invader. The couple are now engaged. Officials point to these kinds of heartwarming stories in defense of the much-publicized surveillance program.
This was...
Excuse me. I got this interview at this tech company. I'm thinking I need something, I don't know, geeky, youthful.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Of course. Got too old, got outsourced. Same thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm? What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
All right.
Yup, that's as youthful as you're gonna get. Dignity aside, I think that might just work. Good luck at the interview.
Bye.
Michael?
I'm all dressed up. Now, you want to run me through this thing?
The prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in your bag.
They just gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part? Hang around till someone opens the door and act entitled.
Fine.
GM's pushing for more functionality. But we are maxed. I mean, if anything, we have to strip features, especially if we plan on releasing a fully priced update a year later. Oh my, you know, it's...
Yeah, well, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
I mean, we're talking beta in Q4, maybe Q3. Look, milestones are one thing, but when design is changing its mind seemingly overnight, there's not much you can do about it. You know what I'm saying?
My union allocated smoke breaks about up, so...
Wait a minute. Do I know you?
Yeah, I think so.
IT temp, right?
Yeah.
You know, you gotta do something for me.
You gotta put it in a ticket.
No. I'd like to keep this one out of the database, if you know what I mean. I'm totally becoming a tech evangelist when the big boys fest. Maybe not even tech. I'll evangelize anything.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Chill out on the beanbag. Marcus will be right out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a normal chair. I have a terrible back.
Here you go. If you guys let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
This is a filthy hard drive, bro. Got any antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Bit me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's computer runs into the same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You write your best stuff in your tweens. After that, it's just a hack job. Might be why I get all these migraines. Seriously, it might be why.
There it goes.
You want to take a break for some air guitar? Give me the wink, bro.
Give me a second, will you? And that should do it. Why don't you try and keep things strictly safe for work from now on?
Hey, have you seen the prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote, minds are gonna blow.
Yes, they are.
Send me the phone.
You would never believe the amount of personal data the sheep are giving up.
Nice.
Dude, when it blue screens again, you're my guy.
Goodbye.
Sit. Foot bag, dig fast.
Ow!
Come on, you're gonna have to learn the foot bag if you want to get a job here, okay? Follow me.
Okay.
Oh,
Some a-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive-aggressive note on it.
Don't miss tomorrow morning seminar. Big data, providing emerging...
Hold on. I'll buzz you out.
Fuck me!
Oh, shit!
Seriously?
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I domed ya!
Lester, the thing's in the prototype. I'm going home to watch the keynote.
Teabag time, my friend!
Lester, did you hear me? Are you playing that game?
Yeah, sorry, the phone is rigged. Now, what's your problem? You don't like shooters?
They're all the same. Besides, you know me. I'm a movie guy. Classic Vinewood.
Classic Vinewood ended 30 years ago. Now it's just superheroes, romantic comedies, and remakes, none of which interest me.
Hey, I believe this country can still make interesting movies. There's no better way to define American life than a 2-hour plot in which the hero looks good and defeats evil.
Ah, whatever you say. Enjoy yesterday. Anyway, just call the device after he's unveiled it, and then we'll talk.
Oh my god, you guys are so lame!
Out.
No! I'm watching Fame or Shame!
Her fucking tits.
No!
Give me that.
The most racist guy in America.
You all disgust me! America loves you. You are in the final.
Recorded live from the Vinewood Bowl. Who will win it all? Who will humiliate?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination! We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. But you know what? They're not interested in sharing their technology. So we went and made it compatible anyway. Now you can dock your Life Invader to an iFruit phone or any other device. And it'll take all the data off it and reformat it into Life Invader friendly information. At around this point in my presentation, there was meant to be a call from my product team to introduce the device. But we're experiencing some technical difficulties. I hate to keep you waiting any longer, but trust me, it's worth it. And don't worry, I will fire several people.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination! We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. But you know what? They're not interested in sharing their technology. So we went and made it compatible anyway. Now you can dock your Life Invader to an iFruit phone or any other device. And it'll take all the data off it and reformat it into Life Invader friendly information. At around this point in my presentation, there was meant to be a call from my product team to introduce the device. But we're experiencing some technical difficulties. I hate to keep you waiting any longer, but trust me, it's worth it. And don't worry, I will fire several people for this.
Guy or gay? Trapped so deep in the closet, his friends call him Mothball. Okay, okay. Listen, why are you so fascinated with my sex?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination. We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years? That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. We went to the guys at Fruit Computers, and we told them we wanted to make our hardware as compatible as possible. But you know what? They're not interested in sharing their technology. So we went and made it compatible anyway. Now you can dock your Life Invader to an iFruit phone or any other device. And it'll take all the data off it and reformat it into Life Invader friendly information. At around this point in my presentation, there was meant to be a call from my product team to introduce the device. but we're experiencing some technical difficulties. I hate to keep you waiting any longer, but trust me, it's worth it. And don't worry, I will fire several people for this.
Give the guy a break.
Guy or gay? Trapped so deep in the closet, his friends call him...
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents' pool house in East Caraway. Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination! We have put 1 billion people's private data in the public domain, and we have milked every penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years? That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary! Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future. The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. Oh, hold on a second. I think someone's trying to dock with me. Hello?
Oh!
Security!
Oh, Jesus! Whoa!
No.
Whoa! Les, that was heavy. Are you watching the news?
I don't have to. I'm watching the markets. I'll be trading pure alpha till close.
All right. Hey, about that other thing. You know, the score.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. Put on a suit, look somewhat professional, and meet me at my warehouse off the LS freeway. Oh, and I'm about to email you a link for the exchange. You can put in some trades of your own.
I'm trying to stay off the day trading. But maybe I'll take a look.
touch me!
Oh, you don't have to call to tell me that.
Not you! The Dieter Sachs store detective! There's been a misunderstanding. I need you to help clear it up.
Oh, now you want it. All right, I'm coming.
The one phone call rule is for real police.
Now she needs me.
Let's stop and cool down for a second while we hear some commercials, damn it. Selling your 40.
You had that opportunity.
I said get off me, you stupid bastard!
I told you, she's a biter. That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, the paperwork. What you packing? You know, standard LSPD. Can you please step? I'm gonna take her into booking. You had that opportunity.
I said get off me, you stupid bastard!
Easy there. I told you, she's a biter. Hey, hey!
Shit!
Stop right now!
All right, let's go! Let's go! I do not want to go to prison!
I'm on top of it.
Get us out of here!
Relax, I got this.
Hello? No seatbelt? Shit! They're still on us!
Chill out. It's under control.
Go, 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 go!
Relax, I got this.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Of course they're gone. Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Don't say it!
What?
That I have everything I want, so why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you!
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Great! Real inconspicuous! I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at, love, love, big love.
Are we going home? So this is what it's like to be you?
Not really, honey. See, I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness protection.
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we see what Agent Dave and the FIB think of this Lovers on the Run act?
Can we drive home, please?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Get rid of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway. Oh, and yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, you can take the girl out of the strip club.
I'm taking Tracy's car. We're out of Kush.
Yeah, who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do's your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be in touch if anything comes up. goes.
How? By giving up what you're close to. You give up your possessions, including your significant other. Developed in the 1950s by Marvin Cuck, cuckold therapy works.
It worked for us.
Shit! Truly a defining moment in our trust and commitment when a well-endowed dude was ravaging her while I looked on helplessly.
See? It's going to bring you closer together. After the trauma, you'll cling to each other, deep in shame.
I said look respectable. Now go change and come back here. You're not casing a joint with you looking like that. You're wasting my time. Ah. When you look decent, we can go. The sooner you change, the sooner we can find you a score. You're boring me, Michael. Just go change. We're not casing a joint with you looking like that. You're wasting my time. Ah.
What is this bullshit?
Do you still believe in liberty? Excuse me, sir. Can I talk to you for a second?
The fuck are you talking about?
I am talking about a hotline straight to heaven that this state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
I don't give a fuck about reefer.
No, they rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want. This is tyranny by morons.
Yeah, well, I got things to take care of in a little place called reality.
You want to drive?
Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. I grew it myself.
Shit! I gotta shake these fools! I finally fucking lost it! Fucker! Who the fuck are you? It's like that! You wanna mess with my head? Go ahead! When is this gonna end? What did that bastard give me? Are we finished yet? Any more of you freaks out there? Oh, shit. Oh, it feels so good.
And after that, you see, the liquor companies push for continued prohibition, which is This is tyranny by morons.
It's for crap. I know I ain't the wrong one, but none of this shit is right. I'm sorry.
Think a stadium full of drunks cares about your stupid song? We want to see bitches shooting t-shirts. Oh, look at me. I'm an adult in a marching band. Oh, boy. You need help, dude.
At least I'm not pretending to be someone half my age.
Good point, Marshall. He got you there, Laz. Speaking of lost souls who need a bunch of help, I think we have the perfect guest for you. Laszlo, introduce him.
Coming up on Chattersphere with Laszlo and Michelle.
Michelle and Laszlo.
That is what I said.
It's not.
Well, whatever. Let me speak. Being saddled with a woman to appeal to more liberal listeners. I am liberal. Seriously. I've got a TV show, which makes me liberal. So shush, woman. Coming up next, what are we... well, not this again. God, gotta take this producer out and piss on their head. How original. A cult leader in Los Santos.
Get out of the fucking way.
Coming up next on Chattersphere with Michelle. Alternative therapy life coach, committed spiritualist, and senior lay preacher of the Children of the Mountain Fellowship, Brother Adrian. Brother Adrian, welcome to the show.
Hello, my child. My children, both of you. Welcome to the now.
So good to have you on the show.
Yeah, it makes a real break from the whack jobs and crazies of a normal interview. No, our guest booker gets us celebrities, but the publicist makes us take these has-beens and won't-bees.
I'm not a psychic, Laszlo, but I am sensing a lot of hostility from you. You seem like you're in prison.
Yeah, I couldn't agree more.
And do you know who the warden is, Laszlo?
Yeah, it's Michelle.
No, my child. It's you.
Oh, give me a break.
Yes,
Hey,
Mom,
you hit
yes,
me.
You're right. Yes, call me a whack job.
You're a whack job.
Call me a cultist.
You're a cultist.
Call me a pervert.
You're a pervert.
All right. I'm happy. You're miserable.
I'm not miserable. Okay, I'm there's a difference. Every time I really start to do well in the market, someone at the station goes whining to HR, and then I get moved to a new place, like a man in a cloth. Speaking of cloth, you're a cult leader. pretend to be happy because you say you have all the answers. You're selling people hope. Well, buddy, hope is a lie. I figured out all the answers. And believe me, life is a dark, horrible chasm.
Can you put some gas in this when I get back? I'm like about to run out.
Right on. It's the big man. What's up, Papa?
Oh, yeah. He's gone.
Cover me!